So yeah, Envato Studio is shutting down. But just to avoid confusion, the first thing I want to highlight is Envato Studio is different from Code Canyon, Team Forest, Audio Jungle, and other Envato marketplaces, and also Envato elements. These are different and they are not shutting down. Also, Envato will continue to live on. They just decided for some reason in their money-making procedures that they will discontinue Envato Studio and also 2020, which was also a website where you could buy these pictures, these images, and yeah, you could use them. Also, Envato Studio was a website where you could hire freelancers, and yeah, I can really say that the freelancers from here were really high quality. So other similar sites like Fiverr or Freelancer have many people which do sometimes not so good work and lower quality work. However, here on Envato Studio you found top quality freelancers because they had here a very tough selection process. So you applied to Envato Studio and you were accepted only after a very strict review, and actually Envato accepted here only the top quality freelancers. So if you check the score here, many people have 100% recommended or 98% recommendations from their clients, which is extremely high. So if you still are able to go to Envato Studio here on studio.envato.com, you can click this button to find out more. And let's see, after this announcement from last month on Envato, this is a blog post here from their part where they say that they decided to turn the company on a more product oriented approach, and they discontinue Envato Studio, unfortunately. So today, right now, when I do this video, it's 17th of July, and today is the last date when you can purchase a service from Envato Studio. On 21st of August will be the last day to finalize the jobs that are purchased, and also 21st of August 2022, the last date to be able to log into your studio account. And starting from this date, probably Envato Studio will be taken down and studio support will still be online until 2023 for 21st of August. But yeah, the site probably will not be available anymore. So unfortunately here on Envato Studio, there were many freelancers who probably earned their full-time income from this. And yeah, it's really tough for them because they now need to search for a full-time job where they can continue to earn money, or to search for alternative marketplaces where they can offer their services online. However, I just want to say that many people here have a huge number of reviews. So let's check a random guy here, and you can see that this guy has a tremendous amount of reviews because he done so many jobs, and yeah, all the reviews are positive. So communication, quality, turnaround, and this is just a random example. So Envato, as far as I know, if you are a freelancer who worked on Envato Studio, you can contact Envato Author Support. Just write Envato Author Support on Google and the link will pop up. You can write to them, so they will offer your reviews and they will be able to offer the reviews for export. So you can export your reviews from Envato Studio. If you want them to move them to TrustPilot or similar sites, you can contact Envato Support, Author Support, and they will provide a file with all your Envato Studio reviews. Also, if you want, they can still offer a letter in this format where they confirmed that you were a service provider on Envato Studio, which is now shut down, and they say that you started on this date, you had this amount of jobs, this amount of customers, approval rate, and they say that, hey, this guy is a professional, and hey, in the last couple of years maybe he worked exclusively on Envato Studio, and yeah, you can take this guy, you can hire him because he's a professional, and yeah, they try to help authors with this also. However, I must criticize a bit Envato because they only did a 2-month announcement for this, because this blog post was released on 6th of June and today is 17th of July, and yeah, today is the last day when people actually can buy stuff on Envato Studio and they can buy services, and the announcement was a bit short, and yeah, people might not have been able to prepare for this, to move to other similar sites. And yeah, for many freelancers which invested their full time until now on Envato Studio, this period will be really hard, especially because they now will have to move on to a different platform or will have to get hired by other companies. So yeah, I'm really curious how Envato will turn around the ship now, because they announced that they no longer want to continue with Envato Studio, and also this 2020 site, which was a smaller image site, yeah, this is also discontinued starting from now. And yeah, let's see how Envato will continue. Probably they will go with Envato Elements with full steam ahead, because this is their new mentality, and I can say not even new, because they have this mentality for a couple of years now, that they want to switch to subscription based service offerings instead of one-time purchases, or even this studio freelancer client relationship model. They want to ditch this and they want to go to full steam ahead subscription. So yeah, you pay $50 per month, for example, and you have all these services available. So yeah, I will follow Envato's blog post from here, and yeah, let's see what the future will bring to Envato. And if you were a freelancer who worked on Envato Studio, I am really sorry for you to just get discontinued by Envato like this, and I hope you will manage to move on. If you want to get in touch with me and we can maybe help each other solve this issue, you can do it. And yeah, just saying that you can contact me and let me know if you are willing to offer ideas and do some cooperations. Okay, so this is all for this video. Just to keep in mind, Envato will continue to live on, or the marketplaces will continue to live on, but unfortunately Envato Studio, the freelancer marketplace, will be shut down starting from today. We will not be able to place orders, and also the 2020 site, which is also shut down, will unfortunately cease to exist. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and looking for alternatives, keep up the good work and don't be sad, life goes on. Have a nice day, bye bye.